Good day, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching this screen share. Today, I want to speak to all the to be mothers, the pregnant women out there. And if you're a new mother and you are struggling economically, I want to show you this app whereby you can get free things, and also you can also sell some used items that you may already have in your house. You can sell it to make good money. You don't have to throw them out, because what you are throwing out, somebody may need it. So the name of the app is called Offer App. Offer App. Now, if this video helps you, do like and subscribe and share with others. And at the same time, when you watch it to the end, it helps YouTube to recommend our videos to other people. So if you don't already have it, this is how it looks like. Yes, if you don't already have it, you can go to the Google Play. This is Android. I believe you can also download it if you are using an iPhone as well. You go to the App Store, whatever they call that. You go there and you'll be able to. You just type Offer App, buy, sell, buy dot sell, Offer App. And then you should see this green, because I've already installed it. If you have not installed it, it's going to say install, but I have already installed it, so it says open. All right, maybe you've installed it, maybe you've not. So if you've not, go ahead and get it installed on your. Now this is for women in America here, United States of America. If you're in Africa, I will talk about something else, what can also help you. So you are pregnant, perhaps you don't have a husband, you don't know how to get money to buy diapers and perhaps baby clothing, car seat, and other things as a mother that you may need. All right. So on Offer Up, there are so many mothers and parents out there. They put up their things that they didn't use fully, such as diapers, such as wipes, baby lotions, baby soaps, car seats, strollers, clothing. Sometimes you see that someone is giving out free newborn baby clothing. It has never been worn before. Their babies couldn't wear it because perhaps the baby died, or perhaps the baby had to be in NICU for some time. So many things happen in people's life, and they just want to give it for free. So when you come to, like right now, I'm going to post breast pads. My baby is 6 months old. She stopped taking the breast. When I put her to the breast, she doesn't want to feed from it. So I'm trying to give out my breast pad. So let me just post one and show you how you can sell off your things. So I go to post. It says take a photo or select a photo. So whatever you want to sell, you can take a photo of it, and it's going to be in your camera gallery. Or at that time that you are posting, you can just take a picture of whatever that could be. All right, so I'll go to select photo, and I will select this. That one, and this one. All right, and I'll click on upload. All right, so I have 3. You can post up to 12 images. I have 3 photos, and I'm going to type as breast pads. and then I'll put free, and then I'll go to next. So in what category is this breast pad? Is baby and kids other? Baby kids, that's where it's gonna. So I'm gonna put as open box. Open box meaning I've opened the box, but I'm not selling any breast pad that I have kind of used it and I'm wrapping it up to give it to somebody. So I'll put open box. Open box. So it's half of the box. So it's opened. So if you are selling, say, so for the condition, if you are selling a laptop, a computer that is reconditioned, you put reconditioned. If you have used it for a year or two, you can put a year or two. Or if they are completely spoiled and you just want to give it as parts, you can do that. But I'm going to put open box. All right. The brand of the item you are selling. I'm going to put Parents Choice. Parents Choice. That's the brand. All right. I have an open box left over. Disposable breast pad for free. You can pick up at any time. Okay, so I put a description. I have an open box left over disposable breast pad for free. I'm no longer using. You can put any words you just want to add up, but I think this should be enough. Okay. The price is $0 because I'm giving it for free. So $0 is the price. Select location. This is required. So get my location 28027. All right, and I'll click on apply. Then I click on post. And voila, I have it posted. It says get an average of 14 times more views per day. No, I don't need that. This will charge you if you want to sell it fast. It will post it. It will display to a lot of people in a day for you to get noticed. But I don't need that. But if you are desperate for money and you want to sell something, you can, do that so that they will advertise more for you so you can get it. So I'll click on done. All right. So you can see that the other items, all these African beads that I have, you can see that it has been viewed 111 times. This is 63 times. This is 67 times. Anyways, so let's come back to the home here and let's go to free. Let's type free. If you click on free stuff in household, okay, it didn't bring anything in household. Let's search. It still didn't bring anything, but you can put, say, free diapers. And sometimes what I just type will pull a lot of results for you. Free diapers. No search. Set a search alert to be notified when new items are posted. Okay. So they are telling me nothing like that is there for now. Okay. It's because I set up this. I'm going to change it. So I'm going to say delivery method any. All right, distance 30 miles maximum. I put it like that. Okay, now let me do free diapers. See, because of the way I had set up the distance where I'm looking for free stuff, that's why it pulled those things. So free stuff, somebody is giving out a whole bunch of stuff here, so this is a bed stand table, this is a light, this is a high chair table. You can see a lamp. You can get some items. You just use hand sanitizer to get it. Now let's go and do the free diapers again and see free diapers. Okay, it still didn't pull anything, but usually it will pull a whole lot of stuff for you when people are giving out free baby stuff. Free baby stuff. Okay, so let's see here. This woman is giving out baby formulas for free. They are in San Diego. You pay for shipping, the person send it to you. I put this on offer because I'm trying to sell stuff to get this car I wanted. I'm only taking trades. It's free, but you have to trade something to get it. Oh, this one is trading for something. But there are most times you see that people are giving it for free. And the reason I'm saying that is that I'm telling you, I have diapers in my room, and it's probably going to last for 1 year, the first 1 year of my baby's life on earth. I got it for free. I got it for free on OfferUp. And this is not a joke. I got it for free on this same app. Today, they don't have any free thing showing, but trust me, there are days that people are really giving out warmer, like I said, baby lotion, baby powder, baby soap, a whole lot of things for free that you can have. So I want to encourage the new mothers. If you are struggling with money, you are struggling in life with, your economical status is not looking great. Maybe your husband left you. Maybe the man who impregnated you left you, and you don't know. You feel like committing abortion. Please don't abort that innocent and precious baby. Babies are so precious to God. God will take care of you. Begin to search for these free items as I've shown you. Look for things in your home that you can sell and post it just like I posted this one. And put reasonable prices on it, and you have people bidding on it. If you want to sell, maybe you have a drawer, you want to sell it. A drawer. You want to sell a drawer. Let me type a drawer. You search on it, see how much people are selling theirs for. You see how much people are selling theirs for. If you want to sell it for $50 or $60, and it's really in a good shape, instead of putting 60, because people are going to bid on your item because it's a used item. So instead of putting 60, the amount that you want, put 70 or 75. And then if they come to bid on it, then you drag it up to that exact 60 that you want. You tell them you can have it for 60. I will not go any lesser than that. And you have someone that will come and buy. So do buying and selling on OfferUp. And let me just put this warning. When you are trying to buy something or get something, make sure you meet the person. If you are the one going to get that thing from the person, make sure you are meeting at a safe place. Make sure you are meeting at a safe place. Don't go inside the person's house. Be outside. Let them bring whatever item out to you so that you can get it. Because it's dangerous out there. You don't know when someone, is out there to hurt innocent people. And always pray before you step out, so that the Lord will bring you back home safely. So trade very safely on this app. You can be scammed. Yes, I've been scammed a couple of times, but it doesn't stop the app from being a good app. It is a good app. I've sold a lot of baby stuff when I was in Tennessee. I needed the money, and I sold some baby stuff, and I really, really got a good deal on the stuff that I sold. So you can sell some good stuff, something like the baby car seat. Make sure you are buying a car seat that is not expired. Look at the expiration date of that car seat, and be sure, especially if for a newborn baby, expiration date is very important that you check it. Okay, so and make sure you bargain to get the lowest deal possible. Sometimes when you are bargaining, you come across people that are very mean, that will send you a very mean and nasty feedback. But don't be perturbed. Don't let that weigh you down. Just brush it off your shoulder and move forward. Okay, and move forward. And so look for all this baby stuff. Type it exactly, whatever the exact thing that you are looking for. Like I said, people are giving out free formulas, whether it is liquid formula that is not used. It is their leftover, but it remain unused. It's in their sealed package. I'm not saying go and buy someone's used washable breast pad. No, don't do that. If it's a disposable breast pad like I'm doing right now, I haven't touched the rest of it. It's still sealed. It's good to get it for free. Free is good. So get the free stuff. Like I said, I have free diapers that can last a whole year for my daughter. I didn't have to buy. I didn't have to buy anything. So get those free things on OfferUp so that it can help. It can ease your economic pain and discomfort so that you'll be able to take care of this baby. Do a yard sale if you have to. Do a yard sale, and many people will know what a yard sale is. Put a sign on in front of your apartment or your house, and even here you can take a picture and put a yard sale and just put $0 as a postage. Post that picture as a yard sale, and people will come. You can give address, and people will come and get whatever it is that you list in the description box as the items that you are selling. And as long as you give a reasonable price, you will have some cash in hand. Always make sure you are getting the cash. You give me cash, you carry your item in a safe location. Meet in a safe location, and I believe that should help. If you're in Africa, you can do buying and selling as well in the marketplace. Make sure you set yourself apart from those women who sells in the market. If you are selling tomatoes or onion or whatever, make sure you are packaging your things well. Make sure your environment is neat. The tray that you are using is very neat and clean. People will come and buy from you because yours is very clean and neat. All this dirtiness in the marketplaces in Africa, it makes people sick. If you can set yourself apart, I believe God will bless your hard work and your neatness and your cleanness, and it will bring more people, customers, to come and buy from you so you can take care of your babies. I love all the mothers out there. Let's hustle, and our hustle will pay. I hope this video helps someone out. Thanks for watching.